Board of Control for Cricket in India has introduced groundbreaking changes ahead of the IPL 2025 mega auction, particularly targeting the earnings of overseas players. These new regulations come after Mitchell Starc's record-breaking 24.75 crores signing by Kolkata Knight Riders in the 2024 mini auction, making him the most expensive player in IPL history. However, such exorbitant deals for foreign players will be restricted under the revised rules. As part of the new policies starting from the IPL 2025 season, overseas players will no longer be allowed to earn more than Indian players sold or retained in the mega auction. This move aims to address concerns about foreign players entering only the mini auctions, which often leads to inflated prices due to the demand-supply imbalance. The BCCI's decision seeks to ensure a more balanced auction system. According to a report by CricBuzz, any overseas player wishing to participate in IPL 2026 or IPL 2027 must first register for the 2025 mega auction. However, exceptions will be made for players who are unable to register due to injury or medical conditions, provided their home board verifies the situation. Moreover, a salary cap will be applied during the mini auctions. The maximum fee an overseas player can earn will either match the highest retention fee of the highest price paid for an Indian player in the mega auction, whichever is lower. For instance, if Virat Kohli is retained for 18 crore rupees and Deepak Chahar is sold for 15 crores, no overseas player can earn more than 15 crores in subsequent mini auctions. Any amount but beyond this cap will not go to the player but will be credited to the BCCI, ensuring financial control and fairer competition. These changes mark a significant shift in the way IPL auctions will operate, aiming to bring parity between India and overseas players while ensuring a more structured financial system. As the IPL 2025 mega auction approaches, all eyes will be on how these new rules impact team strategies and player choices moving forward.